Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing well. In this video, we will solve remaining question of chapter 4 Money for class 3. This content is from IMO Olympiad Workbook 21-22 MTG publication by Mahabir Singh. For first 15 question, please watch part 1 video. Link is given in a description and topics covered are on the screen. Please watch video and do like, share and subscribe my channel. Let's start with question number 16. At the craft fair, Saurabh sold toy cars like the one shown here. How much money did he make by selling 6 such cars? So here one car is for 265 rupees. He sold 6 toy cars like same. So 265 into 6. 6 5s are 30. 3 carry over. 6 6 are 36. 36 and 3 39. So 9 here and 3 carry over. 6 2s are 12. 12 plus 3 15. So here D is correct answer. Question number 17. Priya collected rupees 80 to buy teddy bear. Teddy bear cost is 50 rupees. Which of following can she buy along with teddy bear from the amount she has? So total 80 rupees she has, and out of 80 she spent 50 rupees on teddy bear. So remaining 30 rupees. So in option 1, teddy house is for 50 rupees. So she cannot buy teddy house. So option B, teddy comb is for 20 rupees and she is having 30 rupees, which is more than 20. So she can buy teddy comb. So here B is correct answer. And option C, Teddy's dress is for 35, which is greater than 30. And option D, Teddy's ribbon is for 40 rupees, which is also greater than 30. So she cannot buy option C and D. Only she can buy option B. So here B is correct answer. Question number 18. A lunch box cost rupees 37. Find the cost of 9 such lunch box. Here one lunch box is for 37 rupees. We have to find out the cost of 9 lunch box. So 37 into 9. 9 sevens are 63 and 9 threes are 27. 27 plus 6 33. So cost of 9 lunch box is 333. Here C is correct answer. Question number 19. What is difference between the cost of following two items? Here cost of drum is 346 and cost of doll is 529, and their difference means subtraction. Here 9 minus 6 is 3. Here 2 is less than 4. So here 12 and here 4. 12 minus 4 is 8 and 4 minus 3 is 1. So their difference is 183. Here B is correct answer. Question number 20. A video game costs rupees 2550. Sonia saves rupees 150 every week. How many weeks will she take to save money to buy the video game? So Sonia wants to save 2550. In 1 week she save 150 rupees. So how many weeks need to save 2550? Here we divide 2550 by 150. Here we cancel 0 0. Here we divide 255 by 15. 15 ones are 15. Here 5 minus 5 0 and 1 2 minus 1 1, and this above 5, and 15 sevens are 105. So she need to save 150 rupees for 17 weeks. So here D is correct answer. Question number 21. Rahul distributed rupees 2480 equally amongst 8 boys. So how much amount did each boy gets. To find out the equally amount distributed amongst 8 boys, we need to divide 2480 by 8. Here 8 threes are 24. This 8 ones are 8. And this 0. So each boy get 310 rupees. D is correct answer. Question number 22. Sania saved rupees 383 while her brother Rakshit saved rupees 127 more than that Sania saved. How much total money they both saved? Sania saved 383 rupees and Rakshit saved 127 more than Sania. So 127 more than Sania means he saved 383 plus 127. Here 3 plus 7 is 10. Here 8 plus 2 is 10 and 1 11 and 1 and 3 4 and 1 5. 5 10 rupees. And how much total money they have saved means addition of Sania's money 383 plus the Rakshit money. Rakshit money is 510 and total of both is 3 plus 0 is 3, 8 plus 1 is 9, 3 plus 5 is 8. So they save 893 rupees money. So here B is correct answer. Question number 23. Gaurav baked 89 cookies on Monday and 48 cookies on Tuesday. If he sold these cookies for rupees 5 each, then how much money did he earn? Total number of cookies he baked is equal to 89 on Monday and 48 on Tuesday. And total of this is 9 plus 8 is 7, 1 carry over, 8 plus 1 is 9, 9 plus 4 is 13. So total fun 37 cookies he baked. And he sold these cookies for 5 rupees each. So one cookies for 5 rupees. 137 into 5 is 5 sevens are 35, 3 carry over. 5 threes are 15, 15 plus 3 18, 1 carry over and 5 ones are 5 and 1 6, 685. 625 rupees he earned. So here D is correct answer. Question number 24. Vikas brought 80 ice cream bricks for a party. The total cost of bricks was rupees 640. Cost of one ice cream brick is dash. So cost of 80 ice cream is 640 and we have to find out cost of one ice cream. So here we need to divide 640 divided by 80. Get cancel. 8 ones are 8, 8 eights are 64. So cost of one ice cream is 8 rupees. So here B is correct answer. Question number 25. Rajesh brought a packet of biscuit for rupees 25 and packet of chips for rupees 65. If he gave a 100 rupees note to the shopkeeper, then how much did he get in return? So he brought biscuit of 25 rupees and chips for 65 rupees. Means total he spent here 5 plus 5 0, 1 carry over, 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 6 9. So he total spent 90 rupees. He gave 100 rupees note to the shopkeeper and he spent 90 rupees. So 100 minus 90, 10. So he get 10 rupees in return. Here D is correct answer. Question number 26. Sid had rupees 500. He brought 2 CDs, a toy car and a book. How much money will be left with him? Here one CD is for 50 rupees. One toy car is for half of 90. Here 2 ones are 2. 2 4s are 8, 1 remaining, 2 5s are 10. So half of 90 means for 45 rupees. And 1/4 of 380. 1/4 of 380 means 1/4 into 4 into 380. Here 4 ones are 4, 4 nines are 36, 2 remaining, and 4 fives are 20. So 1/4 of rupees 380 means 95 rupees. So he brought 2 CD. One CD is for 50 rupees. So 2 CDs for 100 rupees. A toy car. Toy car is for 45 rupees. And a book. One book for 95 rupees. And total mean addition. 5 plus 5 0. 1 carryover. 1 plus 9 10. 10 plus 4 14. 1 carryover and 1 plus 1 2. So total he spent 240 rupees. He has 500 rupees and he spent 240 rupees, means remaining money is equal to 500 minus 240. 0 minus 0 0. Here 10, 10 minus 4 6, and here 4, 4 minus 2 2. So 260 rupees left with him. Here B is correct answer. Question number 27. Select the incorrect option. Option A. This 500, 500 plus 100, 600, 600 plus 50, 650, and this 5 means 655. So it is correct option. Here 200, 250, 250, 5, and this 2 to 259. So it is also correct option. Option C. This 500, 500 plus 20, 520 plus 20, 540, and 2 to 544. This is incorrect option. And option D. This is 200, 200 plus 100, 300 plus 100, 400, 400 plus 50, 450, and this 2 to 454. It is correct. Only option C is incorrect. So C is correct answer. Question number 28. Fill in the blanks. Option 1. If the cost of an ice cream is rupees 25 and cost of one ball is rupees 10, then cost of 2 such ice creams and 3 such balls is P. So here one ice cream is for 25 rupees. Then 2 ice cream is for 50 rupees. And one ball is for 10 rupees. So 3 ball 30 rupees. And total cost is 80. So here P is 80. Option 2. If the cost of 20 pastries is rupees 180, then cost of one such pastry is Q. So total cost is 180 and cost of one pastry is 20. So here we need to do division. So here 29s are 180. So cost of one pastry is 9 rupees. So Q is 9. So here A is correct answer. Question number 29. If 3 pencil plus 1 sharpener is rupees 16, 2 sharpener plus 2 eraser is equal to rupees 14, and 3 eraser is equal to rupees 9, then the cost of pencil is dash. Here 3 eraser is equal to rupees 9. So 1 eraser is for 3 rupees. 3 3s are 9. So this eraser cost we put here. 1 eraser is for 3 rupees. Then 2 eraser is for 6 rupees. And then 2 sharpener will be 14 minus 6 is 8. So here 2 sharpener is for 8 rupees. Then 1 sharpener is for 4 rupees. And 3 pencil is equal to 16 minus 4 means 12. 3 pencil is equal to 12 rupees. So 1 pencil is equal to 4 rupees. So here A is correct answer. Question number 30. Neeraj, Nishant, Neha and Nitin went to Mr. Kapoor's cafe. Their bills are given below. Whose breakfast bill is the cheapest? Here Neeraj breakfast bill is 20 plus 35 plus 50 is 105. And Nishant's bill is 20 plus 30 plus 15 is 65. And Neha's bill is 40 plus 13 plus 75 is 128. And Nitin's bill is 60 plus 30 plus 12 110. So here Nishant bill is less. So his bill is the cheapest. So here B is correct answer. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked the video. Do practice well and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.